Hello everyone! Today we have a special treat. We are coloring both Mario and Luigi. We will start with number 1. Number 1 is red. We'll use this for Mario's hat and shirt. Next is number 2. Number 2 is dark brown. Let's color Mario's shoes and Luigi's boots with this dark brown. Time for number 3. Number 3 is blue. This is for the overalls of both brothers. Let's move to number 4 for beige. We'll use this for the faces of Mario and Luigi. Now for number 5. Number 5 is white. We use white for their gloves and parts of their eyes. Let's move over to number 6. Number 6 is yellow. Let's color the buttons on their overalls bright yellow. Now for number 7. Number 7 is black. We'll use black for the soles of their shoes and their mustaches. Next is number 8. Number 8 is green. This is for Luigi's hat and shirt. Now for number 9. Number 9 is brown. Let's color the brick block they are leaning on. They look amazing! Mario and Luigi are ready for their next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Number Color Club.